Hi kids, it's Mrs. Fravel. How are you? Good, good. Yeah, me too. I'm fine. Hey, this week is our weird split schedule week, so I thought I would upload some instructions so you guys aren't panicking. You never panic. Come on, you're fine. No, you guys are smart. Just make sure that you stay calm and always follow the instructions in the modules for my class. But I'm going to just do this quick video to show you, make sure that you know what you're doing this week, okay? So tomorrow is an A day, it's A1, and then on Wednesday is B1. So I will have half of you on Wednesday, and then I will have the B2 group. If you are B2, I will have you on Friday. So what I thought I might do, because there's pretty much just one lesson this week, one lesson and one big assignment, I'm just going to give it all to you online, and I will go over it in class as well. But if you want to just work at home online this week, that's totally fine. You can do that. And for those of you that have to stay home because you are quarantined, A, thank you for quarantining, and B, you can do this no problem. I'm going to be uploading another video about Wednesday's lesson after I do this one. It'll be in the modules. So just for now, just follow along with me and I'll show you what to do this week. Okay, so first of all, remember, we always access everything in the modules over here. We never try to work from the to-do list. You're going to get lost because the PowerPoints aren't there, and so you're not going to have enough information. They're also not going to be in order. So don't try to work from your to-do list. That's just a checklist so that you're sure that you've done those things. And if you've done them, you can click that. There, it's done. I did that. It's gone. Okay. So first thing you're going to do is click over here on modules. Okay. And the internet here at the school has been super slow today. It's been really great. It hasn't been annoying at all. Okay, so last week we started talking about animal bodies and their physiologies. And we talked about how they develop from zygote through their first two embryonic stages, the blastula and gastrula. Those sound familiar, right? Yeah, okay. So you had an assignment there. And then on Thursday last week, we talked about animal body regions and all of the names of the body parts, and we did that awesome candy lab. Now, if you were not here and you didn't do the candy lab, or if you were working online and you didn't watch this video, which you should have, please send me a message. You are welcome to have someone pick up a candy lab kit from me to take home to you so that you can do this assignment, okay? Go watch this video if you're working from home and didn't do the candy lab. Go watch that first, then talk to me, okay? All right, so here we are. This is where we are starting on Wednesday for B2, Wednesday for B1, Friday for B2, okay? But again, you can do all of these online at your own pace. It's all due Sunday night, next Sunday. What is that, the 19th, the 20th, okay? So the first thing you're gonna do is you're going to come over here and you're going to do the starter questions. So click there. You're going to answer these questions completely and thoughtfully. Remember, you answer them in the reply bar. Don't answer them in the search bar. I don't know why they put a search bar there. That's confusing and weird. But anyway, always answer in the reply bar. Type, you can copy, paste the questions and answer them here, and then you're going to hit post reply. Yay, then you'll be subscribed. If you don't want to be told every time one of your classmates posts a reply, unsubscribe from it, okay? And then you'll come down to next. That'll be all the way down at the end, bottom of the page. This PowerPoint, after I record this video I'm doing right now, I'm going to do another video that goes through this PowerPoint with you. So because you know me, I talk a lot. I go off on tangents, and I also elaborate and expand on what's in the PowerPoint. So watch the video. You can watch it at twice the speed and laugh even more at me spazzing out at twice the speed. It's got to be funnier, right? So that will be there for you to watch and take notes from. There's a lot of vocab there, and you'll have a quiz, so you'll want to take notes. Then after you do that, you'll click next. There's a quiz. You're going to take that quiz. You can use your notes. You can take it twice. And then this is the assignment for this week. It's a big one, I'm not gonna lie. You're going to take what we talked about this week and last week in terms of animal development, and you are going to focus on one animal. And guess what? I get to pick your animal for you. Yay. So we will do that in class. If you want to get started on it before class on Friday, which is probably smart, you can just send me a message in Canvas, what is my animal? And I will tell you an animal. I will give you a scientific name. That is the one you work with, okay? Then you'll need to give me all of these things for it. So make sure, again, that you took notes from the PowerPoint or you have access to that PowerPoint so you know what you're doing. And then always make sure you're submitting correctly. You guys, some of you are still a little confused on this. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how to submit correctly one more time. Okay, so let's say you're going to click submit. When you have an assignment that you are building in Google, either as a document or as slides, if it is not embedded on this page as a worksheet, this is what you have to do. You're going to build it, okay? Sorry, let me get out of there. Okay. So let's pretend that this says Chronicle a Life, because that's going to be the name of your assignment. This is just a quick other thing that I used, okay? So you're going to, once you do all of the chronicling of that animal's life, you're going to click share. You're not going to type in my name. Please don't type in my name, you guys. Don't type in my name. You need to come down to get link. If it does not say Canyon School District right there, you need to click change and change it to Canyon School District. Otherwise, I can't view it. And then you're going to click copy link. Link is copied. Then you come back over to the assignment. Okay, see, there's the assignment. Come back to Canvas, and under website URL, you're going to Control V, paste. Paste that shared link in, click submit. Confetti, you did it. Okay. Okay. Just keep doing it that way. Okay, and that's it for this week. So I will get on putting up the animal life cycles presentation right now, and then get to work on your assignments and your quizzes, and I hope to see you guys soon. Again, I hope you're healthy and happy and being safe. Please wear your mask. Please wear your mask or stay away from people. And again, if you're quarantined, thank you for quarantine. I'm sure that's not easy. So thank you. You're saving people's lives and making this nerd very happy. So have a great day. Have a great week. I hope to see you soon. Okay, bye-bye.